In this video, I'll show you how to loop a video on CapCut. So make sure you watch everything step by step. So open up your CapCut. I'm sure you have selected a video already. So if you have not, so go back to the very end and delete all these end screens here. So once you are done, you need to click on this plus. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on overlay. Click on add overlay. So come on here and select that video. So I'm going to use this previous video. So I'm going to select it. So what you need to do, adjust this size to be same exact size as the previous one. So yeah, this is it. So you can see this is the same exact size. So once you are done, what you need to do now, gradually swipe to find the opacity option. So I'm going to just swipe for you to find the opacity option. So this is it. Okay, I'm going to select this. You need to find the opacity option. So this is it. So click on it, reduce it. It's going to be the least one. So this is it. So you can see play it. Once you are done, then you need to reach the end of this video as well. Tap on it, select the opacity option as well. So you need to raise it to 90. Yeah. So once you are done, you're going to be able to see this keyframe option. So tap on it. You have added the keyframe option. So if I go back and play this, so you can see everything is going to loop in well. So can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see this video? So once you are done with this, what you need to do now, just click on this export and you're going to export your video. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.